Fire in the hole, let's cook a tornado. Don't sound right. Fire in the hole, let's make a tornado out of meat. It's gonna be good, stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on for you today is we're gonna build a meat volcano. First we gotta saute up some veggies. We got some of the old Sang stir-fry oil, you know all about that. We're gonna get that in my cast iron pan that's on the fire. It's not quite hot enough yet to do anything. We're just gonna get some oil in the pan. Then we got some garlic. We're gonna put a little bit of minced garlic in there. That's good stuff. We don't want that to burn, so that's cool that it's not all that hot. Let that get up going. Then I've got an onion and some sweet peppers that we're going to saute up. Don't that look good? Looks good already, huh? Onion and sweet peppers and garlic. That's beautiful. Get that sauteed up. So far all we've done is veggies. Yeah, but we ain't done. Not by a long shot. This is going to be the filling, part of the filling for our meat volcano. We've also got some shrooms. And you know I love my shrooms. So we're going to saute up some shrooms in there. In that not quite hot enough frying pan. And we got to hit it with some root boy rub #1 for seasoning. If you want to buy some root boy rub #1, you can go down in the description and go to my Facebook page. That's a nice seasoning. Isn't that pretty? So yeah, go to my Facebook page and get some. You can buy some. It's cheap. $3 a jar. The price is going up because I'm going to get rid of Facebook and I'm going to get a PayPal store. And when I get the PayPal store, the price is going to double on these rubs. So you might want to get in now while you can for the discount price. Anyway, let me get these veggies sauteed up and then we'll start making our meat volcano. So stay tuned. Okay, I got my Himalayan salt block out here and I've got some 80/20 ground beef and I'm gonna I want to season that with some of my root boy rub. Some of my root boy rub on that on that beef. Let's get that seasoned up a little bit. Get some of that on my salt block like that. Get some more of it on there. Oh boy, this is gonna be good. Oh yes, get some more of it on there. Get some more of it. Some more of that meat. Some of that good meat. You see where I'm going with this, I think. I think you do. If you're perceptive, you know what I'm finna do. Is I'm gonna make a volcano out of meat and bacon. Whoops. Let's get some of that meat on there. I had about 2.5 pounds of ground beef on there. And we're going to get that pushed down in there and formed up. If I need more, I can always put more later. I'm going to take my this Malibu rum bottle. I'm going to push a depression in the middle of that volcano because that's where the lava is going to go. See, we're going to pile that up around that bottle. And don't worry, the bottle's clean. I cleaned it off. Goodness sake, what do you think I am? Think I would use a dirty bottle? Okay, so we got like a depression at the bottom of the volcano. And what we got to do now is we got to reinforce it with some bacon. So I got some Right Brand thick cut American pork belly bacon. And we're going to put that around the base of the volcano like this. You see where I'm going with this, I hope. That's one piece. Let's get another piece. Oh yeah, nothing like thick cut American pork belly bacon. So let's get that over there. On there. I actually think I need to make a bigger depression with that bottle, to be honest with you. We get that bacon wrapped up on there. Take that bottle, I want to push that down some more because I want to make room for my, I got to put some veggies in there, and I got to put the, we're not done molding this, not by any means. So let me get some more bacon on there. Get the bacon on the outside of that volcano. That's going to hold it all together, you see. I hope. And I'm using this salt block, and I'm thinking that the salt block is going to, it's got to be brought up to temperature slowly. There you go, you got the bacon on there. Now let's get some of this filling on there. I need a different glove. This pan was hot. I gotta get my, there we go. Now we got that sauteed onions and mushrooms and peppers. We get that in there, like that. Some of that in there. Okay. Now, for the lava, we got some Brie cheese. This is a wheel of Brie right here. Let me get my Brie out of here. I gotta cut it up. I'm gonna cut this Brie up into pieces like this. Hope you can see that. And got these pieces of Brie that we're gonna shove up here like this. That's the lava for the volcano. That's gonna come spilling out of the volcano and all over the bacon. At least that's what I'm hoping. I don't know if I can get this whole piece of Brie on there or not, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna shove that down on there. A little bit more, please. More Brie. Okay, that's it. That's the volcano. Got the bacon, got it on the salt block, got it seasoned up with my rub, got the veggies down inside, we got the lava going here. I think I can pile up 2 more pieces of Brie right on top here, because that's going to melt. It's going to get all melty and make the lava for this volcano. Yeah, so let me get that on the charbroil. I'm going to light the charbroil. I haven't lit it yet because this has to be brought up to temperature slowly or it'll crack. But anyway, that's my bacon and cheese volcano. Let me get that on the grill and I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll get it cooking, so stay tuned. I got the charbroil grill lit. I've got my salt block on there, which is cold right now. It's going to come up to temperature slowly. And I've got my bacon volcano sitting on there. We're going to let that cook till that bacon tightens up and that meat gets up to temperature. And then we'll come back and we'll cut into that puppy and eat some bacon volcano. So stay tuned. My meat volcano is getting done. I'm going to paint it up with some barbecue sauce, but I want to show you this barbecue sauce that I got. Moonshine barbecue sauce. It says smoky mustard, and it says just the right amount of moonshine, but I can't tell whether it's got any moonshine in it at all. And even though it says it's a mustard based, it kind of looks kind of tomatoey, but I want to use it anyway because you know, it looked good. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna paint my volcano up with it. Some of that supposedly mustard based barbecue sauce on that bacon on the outside of my meat volcano. So let me get that, that's making it look a little bit more appetizing, isn't it? Yeah, let's get that sauce painted on there. It's got a little bit more cooking to do. I think the bacon's not quite crispy enough, but I don't see where it'll hurt it to have some of that sauce on it. Looks a little bit better with that red mustard based sauce with the moonshine in it. Anyway, yeah, there you go. Let me finish cooking that. We'll get a beer and take a taste, so stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, my meat volcano has erupted. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, and here's today's beer. This is Heretic from the Heretic Brewing Company. Juicier Than Thou, a New England style India Pale Ale with mango. That's right up my alley. Let's pour this out, Lassa, and get a taste. See if we can pour it without making a mess and without making a big to-do. It's got quite a bit of head, Lassa, but we're going to handle it. We're handling it well. That is a New England style IPA Heretic. Let's move that over a little bit. Over this way. In front of my meat volcano. Heretic, juicier than thou. New England style IPA. That looks good, doesn't it? It's a beautiful pale ale. Let's take a sniff, Lassa. What do you think? Oh man, it smells great. It smells of hops and barley. Let's quaff the froth off it, Lassa. What do you think? Well, I don't really smell or taste mango, but it is delicious. Heretic Brewing Company, juicier than thou. Oh, it's got a kind of an aftertaste of mango, and you could tell it's a New England IPA because it's very juicy looking, very hazy and juicy at the same time. So there you go, that's our beer. Let's get a slice of this amazing meat volcano and see what it tastes like. See if we can cut into this puppy without making too much of a mess. I got a plate, got some of that barbecue sauce because I want to put some of that sauce in mine. I'm gonna cut right into it. Why mess around? Cut right into the middle of that. Oh yeah, just like cutting a cake. Cut a piece of that. That bacon might not be as cooked as some people like it, but I don't mind it that way. Let's get a piece of that on my plate. Yes, sir. Don't that look good? Let me get some of that barbecue sauce on there. Just want to dribble a little bit of that moonshine barbecue sauce on there. How's that look? Not too shabby. Let me get a bite of that. Let me get some of that Brie, some of those veggies, some of that meat. That's good. That's good. I like it. I like that Brie. And those veggies. I even like that barbecue sauce. Wow. So that's a pretty good recipe. I got that from my buddy Jorn over in Germany. Not bad. Very interesting flavors. I like the Brie. I like Brie cheese. So that's my video, babies. I don't know what you thought of it. If you like my meat volcano or not, let me point you over there at it. Got the sunlight coming in on me. Not too bad looking. It's got a nice flavor. Anyway. I even like the sauce. Moonshine. That's good. That's hot. Hey, you know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go over and see my buddy GT's Barbecue. You might like what he's doing. He's making videos, he's barbecuing up some stuff. Go check him out. Come back next week. If we're still here, if the hurricane doesn't blow us away, we'll make another video and we'll drink another beer. So yeah, that's it, babies. That's my meat volcano. It ain't too bad looking. And that barbecue sauce wasn't too bad. And it's got those veggies in there, so you can't say it's all bad. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.